It's about 1.5 hours into the snow in Arkansas. If you've never been to Arkansas, it doesn't snow here very much at all. I'm officially snowed in. I drive a Camaro, so I've been told that if there was an emergency and I had to leave, I have to drive that old guy right there. Hoping that I don't have to leave. Just brought my dogs out to go potty before it gets so much snow that they don't want to go out anymore, because now they're saying that we're going to get 8 to 12 inches. If it snows here, we don't get anything close to that. I'm in my fancy leopard coat. Do have a Carhartt beanie though. Prepared. Stay tuned.